Are you
I
positive?
don't know if she can drive. I don't think so. Maybe.
Come on, let's let her drive what I drove, man.
She gonna drive what you drove?
Yeah,
what
let's
you drive?
Huh?
What did you
We
drive?
gonna show her what I drove.
Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry.
I think I drove this car. I think I drove this car. I think I drove this car. I think I drove this car over. I think I drove this car over here with this big red bow on it. That's what I think I drove right here. This is what I think I drove right here. Here, sweetie. Here's your keys.
Thank you. I had to go a moment time to get it. I'm in there like butthead. It's so cute.
She said,
It's so cute. Oh my god. Thank you so. It's so cute.
she said,
It's so cute. Oh my god. Thank you so much.
This was the setup the whole. This was the setup the whole night.
Thank you. I didn't even. This is so cute. Oh my god. So cute. Oh, thank y'all. I can now stop smiling. This is so Thank you.
So now about this prom and this date.
For this, I can give up a day.